We're here today at the gun range.
Oh, nice.
I'm gonna be shooting my Glock 19 Gen 5. And we're gonna have a little bit of fun. Well, that's a center mass shot right there, second shot. How about that? Alright, I pulled one out. That one didn't look right. Not too bad. Not too bad. Just that little guy right there. Don't worry about him. Alright. You ready? So you slap that in, and then you send the slide home. Just press that button. Press it like down. There you go. Alright. Now you got one in the chamber. Your safety is your finger because blocks don't have safeties, alright? How far do you want this? Red line? Yeah. That's 3 yards. You want it? You can go a little further. Right there? Alright. So you want help or you just want to go for it? You might want to use 2 hands unless you're a badass. So I'm in the shot groups right here. I'm gonna put this guy on, and right, I'm gonna shoot this guy in the face. Did I get him? Oh yeah. 1 shot, 1 kill. I got it. Right there.
Grip farther up on it.
Alright, I let the girls shoot the old Glock. Casey shot him in the hands. And then Olivia shot him in the gun. And his crotch is wide open, so I'm gonna tear that crotchal region up now. Just the tip.
Okay.
So I keyholed this one, just the tip, and I scared him there. A little dangler. Yeah, shoot it again. Try it again. High five. Is that fun? Finger off the trigger until you're ready to fire. You're gonna line up this sight. Line up this sight with this and just like that guy anywhere you want.
But I didn't like that sound.
It's a gun. It's gonna be loud and it's gonna kick, but I'm here with you. Just pull the trigger when you're ready. Here, stay with me. I'll shoot it. It's fine. You're good. Ready? You did good. I'm proud of you. That's a really cool hoodie, man. Huh? Did you? Getting Jeffy with it. It's not too bad in here.
No, it's not at all. I went out to my truck.
Yeah. You go outside the doors and it gets a little chilly.
That's the last piece.
Last piece.
From
Last piece,
Boston.
don't mess up now. I said, last piece, don't mess up now. That's thin.
So this is back in the drawer. I have to cut that off.
Yeah, yeah.
So I left it there for a reference surface.
Gotcha.
So that's what I did.
Pine cuts real quick.
A pine.
Yeah, I said pine cuts real quick, yeah.
Yes.
What's that nifty thing you got there?
Catch Moses Woodworking Dovetail jig.
Nice.
It's nice for helping you to align. You can do it faster by hand, but that takes a lot of practice. This lines you up.
I just bought a dovetail jig too. It was like 20 bucks. And it has like a 9 degree and like a 6 degree or something.
Yep. This one's 6.
It was like a,
This is 1 to 6.
mine's like a Swiss Army knife kind of deal.
Oh, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Good.
My back side, I was gonna clean it up a little bit more. I kind of like cut off the edges here. I was gonna make them sharper, but I didn't know if it was a big deal or not.
Well, it looks like we can clean that up more.
Yeah.
Looks like you didn't quite hit your line there. And this, you just need to bring it a little more this way.
Yeah.
Again. So yeah, if it's still set to that.
It's on my back side. Like the first cuts I did, that's the first cuts I did, and I got better at it on my second, and I realized what I was doing. A little better.
You can lower it again to this side.
Yeah.
Also, that looks good. So remember, you usually want to mark the gauge on this side too.
Yeah.
It's not too bad, but you can just tear. You break those fibers.
Okay.
It'll be like super.
Yeah, that makes sense.
This looks real good. All right, yeah. So clean up those, like here. See that?
Yeah.
Well, that won't happen again. But yeah, lower it again with the practice speed and clean up whatever you can. That's it. It's almost there.
All right. Alright, now that I have these pieces cut, let's go get with the rest of the group and come up with a game plan. Knock out the rest of this box.
See what I'm saying?
Well, you didn't do this right then. Look, you have a quarter mark.
No, I did mine. I measured those. I don't.
Well, that's why they're not the same. But you can't do it my way
This is
then.
no good. Just look at that. From here. Is that in the middle?
Doesnmatter. It doesn't matter.